Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very quick unboxing of a pair of shoes that I've been dreaming of, and this is actually a gift from my hubby. I didn't even know he was gonna order them for me, but I think that's just because I kept showing them to him so many times, pretty much every single day, because I fell absolutely in love with this particular pair. Just in general, I've been wanting a pair of shoes from this brand. It's from MACH for a very long time, and I think the very first time I saw them, it was on Cassie's page, Cassie Thorpe. Saw the shoes and I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful, but at the same time I didn't know anything about the brand, and back then it was just, getting popular, and by the time I knew I wanted the shoes, they were completely sold out. You couldn't find them anywhere, and now I think it's getting a little bit easier to buy them. I'm not sure if the trend is fading away little by little. Hopefully not, because I just got the shoes. I think the most important thing is that I love them, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I have a box right here. It's from FARFETCH. My husband discovered FARFETCH, and I was so surprised because one day he was just like, I ordered so much from this website. They had such an amazing kids selection that I couldn't stop browsing. I've been on that website for like hours, and I think I picked the prettiest outfits, and I was like, what website? I was so surprised. And then we started receiving these packages, and they all came from FARFETCH. I'm like, are you talking about FARFETCH? I love it. I actually worked with them right before Christmas, and yes, FARFETCH is definitely one of my most favorite websites. This is not sponsored. He just ordered it by himself, and the shoes came in this dust bag. I'm not sure where they came from, to be honest, but here they are. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. I love the pink box, and I think the brand is Georgian, right? I read a little bit about MACH and I was actually surprised. So this is what the box looks inside. We have a few of the little crystals in case they fall off, then MACH card, and it just talks about how delicate the shoes are. Here's another little booklet. What is this? Okay, these are the additional like heel parts. I have no idea what they're called. Even in Russian, I'm not sure what the name is. But anyway, we've got those. Here are the two dust bags. Actually, when I felt the dust bags for the first time, I was like, I don't really feel the high-end quality, to be honest, but they're still very nice, like the satiny dust bags. By the way, can you guess the color that I got? You can write it down in the comments if you have any guesses. Okay, so are you guys ready? Here is the first shoe. They're wrapped really well. The color is absolutely gorgeous, and I think it's a newer color that was just released quite recently. Ta-da! So here they are. Decided to go for a simpler version. This is the one I really liked, and my husband approved, so he ordered them for me. The heel height, I believe it's about 65 or 75 millimeters, which is perfect for me, and I love them. They are so gorgeous. Oh my god, look at the crystals and the color. This green color is absolutely gorgeous. I love green. Even my nails today are in sort of like neon green, limeish color, and I think this color is so much fun. I don't really have a lot of things that would go with the shoes. I don't know, we'll see. I have to you know, look through my wardrobe, especially now. It's a bit complicated. In my head, how I was thinking of wearing them is with jeans, like a regular, no, probably boyfriend jeans or mom jeans, something like that, and then with a t-shirt or an oversized shirt on top. I think it would look very, very cool, like street style kind of thing, you know. And with these shoes and like a tiny purse, or with a dress, any dress actually, that would go with this green color. What do you guys think? I went with size 37.5. This is my regular size, and I would say they are pretty much true to size. You can take your regular one if you're thinking of getting them. So he got them for me on FARFETCH, but I also saw them on Luisa Via Roma if you're interested, and I'm gonna have them linked in the description box if you want a pair like this. But I will try to link different styles depending on the color. Some colors are on pre-order, and the ones that I also liked, some other MACH and MACH shoes that I liked and wanted to pre-order. On the website it said that they would arrive by 15 October. I mean, the season will be over, my baby would arrive by then already. There is no point of getting them for 15th of October, but luckily these ones were still available. I think they also come in this turquoise color, which is also very, very beautiful fuchsia color, another one of my favorite. I also saw this style in satin. This is leather, by the way, but it's this very, you know, shiny leather, very pretty. The other colors that I saw are in satin material. So I saw the cream ones, black ones, blush pink ones. So they have a lot of different options, and also I guess they come in a slightly different version with a higher heel. Those shoes with a higher heel would be impossible for me to walk in, but this kitten heel is absolutely perfect. So what do you guys think? This is my new statement shoes, which I love so much. So freaking much. I just hope the little crystals will stay put and won't fall down. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on the wear and tear of the shoes sometime in the future. But tonight we're actually going to the restaurant with our friends, and I'm thinking of wearing them for the first time. That's why I actually decided to film this unboxing now, a little bit sooner. This is one of the later purchases, but yeah, I guess I will just throw it in somewhere in between the other things that I got. I am absolutely in love with the shoes, so beautiful, and I'm gonna show you some mod shots of how they look on me. So here's my new dress. It's from COS. I just got it, that's why I didn't really have time to iron the bottom part, so it's a bit wrinkly, I'm sorry, but I love the way this dress is. So it's a little bit longer in the front and at the back, but at COS I feel like everything is pretty asymmetrical. And here are my new shoes. Aren't they beautiful? I feel like even with this dress, I honestly feel like a strawberry because of the like color combo. But I love the shoes. They are so pretty, and they're giving me the Cinderella vibes. Such a beautiful bling bling with all the crystals. Oh my god, they're so shiny, and this green leather is absolutely stunning. So this could be another option of how I would style the shoes, with just a simple black dress, and I've got my sparkling crystal Prada bag, but I'm not sure if it's too much with the green shoes. Is it too much? I have no idea. Let me try on with a different bag. So here is another option. It's this satin Alexander Wang little bag, which I also got from FARFETCH, by the way. I will link it in the description box together with the shoes if you're interested. But I think this could work. And then the shoes, they're just like, you know, a statement piece, like an accent in my entire outfit. What do you guys think? I guess this is it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's at bonjouraika. I would love to see you there. Send me a DM. We can get to know each other a little bit better. Anyway, wishing you a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.